Ready to turn your Telegram chats into a cash flow? Join me in today's video, as we unlock the secrets of making money with Telegram bots. From affiliate marketing to premium content and even interactive surveys, your chat app is about to become your personal ATM. Smash that subscribe button because we're about to dive into the ultimate guide on earning daily with Telegram bots. Let's monetize those messages. First things first, let's understand what Telegram bots are and why they're a goldmine for potential earnings. Telegram bots are automated programs that can perform various tasks, from providing information to interacting with users. Today, we'll discover how to leverage these bots for profit, and yes, it's all legal and within the Telegram guidelines. Telegram bots are the unsung heroes of the messaging world. They're automated programs designed to simplify tasks and interact with users seamlessly. Why are they essential for your income strategy? Well, think of them as your 24/7 digital assistant, capable of performing a variety of functions. Today, we'll explore the potential these bots hold for making money and how you can tap into this technological goldmine. Key points. 1. What are Telegram bots? Briefly explain the concept of Telegram bots and how they function. 2. Why bots for income? Highlight the advantages of using bots for generating income, such as automation and scalability. 3. Legal and ethical considerations. Emphasize the importance of adhering to Telegram's guidelines to ensure ethical and legal use of bots for profit. Affiliate marketing has been a staple in the online income world, but did you know your Telegram bot can be a silent affiliate marketing partner? In this section, we'll explore how you can join affiliate programs, integrate your unique affiliate links into your bot, and earn commissions for every sale generated through your referral. It's a passive income stream that works around the clock. Key points. 1. Selecting affiliate programs. Guide viewers on how to choose affiliate programs relevant to their audience. 2. Integration with bots. Demonstrate the process of integrating affiliate links seamlessly into the bot's functionalities. 3. Maximizing passive income. Discuss strategies to optimize the bot for passive income generation through affiliate marketing. Offer premium content or services. Your knowledge is valuable, and your Telegram bot can be the gateway to monetizing it. Whether you're an expert in a specific field or offer unique content, discover how to set up a subscription-based model. We'll delve into creating exclusive content, tutorials, or even personalized consultations that your audience is willing to pay for. Let's turn your expertise into a revenue stream. Key points. 1. Identifying valuable content. Discuss how to identify content or services that your audience is willing to pay for. 2. Creating subscription models. Provide insights into setting up subscription-based models within the bot. 3. Balancing free and premium content. Explore the delicate balance between free content to attract users and premium offerings for paying subscribers. Implement chat-based surveys and polls. Engagement meets income in this section. Did you know that your Telegram bot can be a platform for businesses seeking valuable insights? We'll explore how to collaborate with companies or brands to conduct surveys and polls. For every response collected, you earn. It's a win-win scenario. Businesses get insights, and you get paid for facilitating the interaction. Key points. 1. Collaborating with businesses. Guide viewers on reaching out to businesses for survey collaboration opportunities. 2. Creating engaging surveys. Provide tips on designing surveys that encourage user participation. 3. Monetizing responses. Discuss strategies to earn income based on the number of responses collected. Integrate advertisement bots. Become the advertising maestro of Telegram with advertisement bots. In this section, we'll explore how to integrate advertisement bots, partnering with businesses to promote their products or services. Whether it's sponsored posts or direct promotions, your bot becomes the bridge connecting businesses with potential customers, and you earn for every successful collaboration. Key points. Building partnerships. 1. Identify target businesses. Start by identifying businesses or products that align with your audience. 1. Reach out to them with a proposal highlighting the benefits of advertising through your bot. 2. Craft a compelling pitch. Develop a pitch that outlines the demographics of your audience, engagement statistics, and the unique value proposition your bot offers for promotional activities. Creating effective ads. 1. Visual appeal. Emphasize the importance of visually appealing advertisements. 1. Encourage businesses to provide high-quality graphics, videos, or interactive content to captivate your audience. 2. Crafting persuasive copy. Guide businesses on crafting compelling copy that not only showcases their product or service but also encourages action from the audience. Earning through collaborations. 1. Flat fee model. Discuss the option of charging a flat fee for businesses to have their advertisements featured in your bot. 1. This model provides a predictable income stream and is simpler for both parties. 2. Commission-based model. Explore the possibility of earning a commission for each sale or conversion generated through your bot's advertisements. 2. This incentivizes businesses to create compelling promotions. Navigating sponsored posts. 1. Strategic placement. Advise businesses on strategic placement of sponsored posts within your bot to maximize visibility and engagement. 1. Discuss options like pinned messages or dedicated advertisement slots. 2. Balancing content and ads. Maintain a balance between sponsored content and regular content to ensure that your audience doesn't feel overwhelmed. 2. Transparency is key in maintaining trust. Ensuring compliance and transparency. 1. Adherence to Telegram policies. Emphasize the importance of adhering to Telegram's policies regarding advertisements. 1. This ensures the longevity and credibility of your bot. 2. Transparent disclosures. Advocate for transparently disclosing sponsored content to your audience. 2. Transparency builds trust and enhances the overall user experience. Tracking and reporting. 1. Analytics integration. Explore the integration of analytics tools to provide businesses with detailed insights into the performance of their advertisements. 1. This data can be invaluable for both parties in refining future collaborations. 2. Regular reporting. Establish a system for regular reporting to keep businesses informed about the reach, engagement, and conversion metrics of their advertisements. And there you have it. digital entrepreneurs. We've just uncovered the treasure trove of possibilities within Telegram, transforming your conversations into daily cash flow. From affiliate marketing and premium content to interactive surveys and now, advertisement bots, your Telegram is now a powerhouse for income generation. As we wrap up this ultimate guide, remember that consistency and creativity are your greatest allies in the world of Telegram bot monetization. Whether you're partnering with businesses for sponsored content or crafting engaging advertisements, each interaction becomes an opportunity to turn your channel into a profit engine.